back out here on Elm Street, and we're next to the school book depository. We're gonna try to get some more shots. See what we get. David's over here. All right, let's go. All right, I'm gonna try to get one long exposure, and then I'm gonna switch to my long lens. Get the stuff I missed last week. I'm gonna try this, and then I'm done. That one looks all right. I got this Peak Design strap that I'm trying out today right here. So the lowest aperture on this guy is 5.6. It's all the way through from 200 to 400. So I'm down to 5.6. Bringing my ISO up a little. And that looks good to me. Oh, I want to be at 200 because I want to stop any sort of motion. I didn't get any of it.
I mean, you almost spun out into barriers there, so.
I didn't see it. Maybe, oh, you know what? Maybe my camera caught it. That color is so high up in the sky today because the clouds were low last week, right? I tell this to like almost everyone I can. Buying new lenses doesn't make sense unless you're doing it and like people are paying you like a lot of money to take pictures, you know what I mean? Buying a used lens, people take care of these lenses, resell them, and then you can get them like at a major discount, and they're basically new. There's no real difference. That one was way too close for me. Look at this. Yeah, it's completely, yeah.
You'd be like, well, this is what happens when you bring your long lens.
Right, that's exactly. This biker's almost in the same spot as the one from last week. This is what it looks like. Car commercial. You use a hand strap, right? Yeah. How's that thing? You like that?
I like it.
It attaches to like up here. So this thing, check this out. This is the Peak Design one.
Okay.
So I have it attached to the Arca Swiss plate that they give you. And then I can just like unclip it like that.
Yeah, the guy that makes these in California, he also makes them with Peak Design clips.
Yes, so it just has like this like clip thing, right? Straps by Elrose. Elrose? By Elrose. Yeah. Shoot. Oh my gosh, what in the world? You can see the whole thing. Yeah, that's gonna come up right over the bridge. Or hopefully through the bridge. Oh, you guys, I always block the camera when I'm like that. Yeah, I know. You guys see this? Look at that thing. Dude, that's like right over the bridge right now, right? Oh, so there's a photographer out there. Is that buzz gonna hit? Oh, I was looking at my camera, I was like, dude, that buzz is gonna hit him. So far, I'm liking this strap. I haven't had any like major drops or anything, but it's definitely not getting in my way like a traditional sling strap would, which is what I was having a problem with and why I stopped using it. Oh, here we go. Someone's walking. Oh, I missed it because of my manual focus. I'm not used to this focus ring's such a short pull, man. The dude was walking so slow. It was like the perfect... Dang it.
Get it?
I think so. Yeah. Yeah. I'm right here at this X, and I'm taking a shot of the window where JFK was shot from. if I can get it in focus. That light coming down the street is still really good, even though the sun's like past. Alright guys, that was fun. I had to leave a little earlier because I have to get to a video shoot. So I wanted to tell you guys something, but I didn't want to say it till the end of the video. The lens that I'm shooting on is actually a used lens, and that lens cost me like $150. It's 200 to 400, which is a focal length I really wanted to get my hands on, and it's 5.6 throughout. So that means that it's f5.6, that's the minimum aperture, and all the way from 200 to 400, it doesn't push up any farther. So it's nice because you can keep your aperture at the same level throughout the entire focal range. That's a huge plus for me. And at that depth, 5.6, you can still see a lot of the shallow depth of field. It's actually really cool to take a portrait with that lens, except for that you're standing like a mile away from the person you're taking a picture of. I just tell you that to let you all know that you don't have to be spending a crazy amount of money to get different types of shots or try out different lenses. I know it's not like a drop in the bucket, but $150 for that kind of lens with that kind of glass is really good. So my advice to anyone who's doing this as a hobby or for fun, or maybe even getting paid but not all the time, maybe just as a side thing, invest in used lenses. Get good quality used stuff. And that's it. That's my 2 cents. So, all right, guys. I know this one was a shorter one, but I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.